Never lose again with this new TradingView indicator that can easily make you $100 daily. Just look at these highly accurate buy-sell signals it gives on any market and time frame. I backed up my words by coding a TradingView strategy and revealing its real live results. To discover its name and unlock our private settings, make sure to watch the video till the end. During this video, we also will show you how you can access our top-notch private indicator, QuantAlgo, which tells when to buy and when to sell, thus giving you an insane advantage over other traders. Without further ado, let's explore a cutting-edge trend indicator and discover how to use it for consistent daily profits. The indicator is an advanced volatility-filtered, trend-following system that blends multiple smoothing techniques into a single directional bias tool. The fundamentals behind this indicator are straightforward. First, there's a main line, which is a double exponential moving average, serving as a foundation for directional bias. When the DEMA changes its color to blue, it indicates that the market is in an uptrend. At the same time, a shift in the DEMA color to red signals that a downtrend is underway. Next, we have bands surrounding the price. These are standard deviation envelopes built around the SMMA, which expand or contract depending on market volatility. The wider the bands, the greater the volatility. As for the trading rules, when the DEMA line turns blue and the price closes above the upper SD band, a buy signal is triggered. Bingo, the price skyrocketed, leading to substantial profits. Similarly, when the DEMA line becomes red and the price closes below the lower SD band, it gives us a sell signal. Voila! The price plummeted, with the indicator locking in profits even during the bear market. Of course, we don't live in a perfect world, so it's normal for a few false buy and sell signals to appear during periods of consolidation. The easiest solution to eliminate them is to fine-tune the settings. But before we dive in, let's add this top-notch trend indicator. Head over to the indicator menu, search for Gaussian Smooth Trend, and select the one shown here. Now, let's bring in Quant Capital Strategy Builder, which lets you backtest any indicator in less than 60 seconds. Simply open the settings, navigate to the Set Long Conditions tab, choose a parameter that aligns with the indicator's buy signals, and repeat the process for the sell signals. And as you can see, the performance is quite poor, so let's apply the optimal settings. Go to the Inputs tab. Before we continue, we want to share with you our top private indicator, QuantAlgo, which can be used in combination with previously discussed indicators or on its own. This high-quality algorithm, which combines complex trading processes to tell you when to buy and when to sell, was developed to enhance your trading experience. You can use it on any time frame for different asset classes. So, if you want to access QuantAlgo to get results fast, all links will be in the description and the comment section below. Without this algo, will put you at a disadvantage. Change the DEMA length to 50, adjust the Gaussian length to 17, and set the Gaussian sigma to 3.5. Finally, configure the SMMA length to 14 and adjust the SD mult down to 6.6. Bingo, the performance instantly shot up. However, there's still a notable max drawdown of around 35% and a relatively low win rate of 60%. With that, let's continue refining the strategy. The confirmation filter we applied blends several types of moving averages with a distinctive MA shift oscillator. With that, the MA shift bar should appear bright green to confirm a buy signal. At the same time, the MA shift bar should be yellow for a sell signal confirmation. To add this trading filter, go to the Indicators tab, search for Moving Average Shift, and choose this specific indicator. Now, return to the Strategy Builder, set the length to 65, change the source to OLC4, adjust the MA shift length to 40, and activate it right here. Boom, our win rate jumped to nearly 72%, and net profit climbed to 431%. We also notably lowered the max drawdown to around 23%, with the profit factor reaching 2.5. You can access the strategy script through the link below.